Welcome to Sheetwise. I'm Sebastian, and with 28 years of Excel experience, I have learned the fastest ways to save time. Today, I'm sharing two of my favorites, Flashfill and Autofill. These are the Excel tricks you wish you knew sooner. Trust me, they will change the way you work. Let's dive in. Section 1, Flashfill in action. First, let's talk about Flashfill. Imagine you have got this list of names and you need to split them into first and last name. Tedious, right? Not with Flashfill. So what would we do? We would go in it and try to extract the first name with maybe find this text in this text. Okay. 7th character. And then left this -1. Okay, and maybe the text here, Olivia. That's a lot of work. Or we use Flashfill and write Olivia. That's it. So the Flashfill functions below data, Flashfill. Or you see Control E. So we use that. We highlight the cell, Control E. That's it. So I think it's easier than with the formula. And the surname, Bennett. Control E. That's it. So this is the power from Flashfill. Section 2, Advanced Flashfill Techniques. So need to extract data? Flashfill's got you there. Take these phone numbers, for instance. You just want to have the area codes and maybe the country. And this is not the right example. Need to extract data? Flashfill's got you. Take these phone numbers, for instance. You want the area codes, type 1, hit enter, and bam, Flashfill completes the column. So let's see. +44. Okay, I need the sign to let the plus stay. Okay, and then Control E. It extracts the code. And yeah, we want the country too. Control E. Oh, that's easy. Here, it even works with dates. Got dates in different formats. Type 1 example, and Flashfill reformats the whole column to match. So, for example, we want something like 10/3/2024 as format, Control E, and here's your new format. We saw extracting, and for those of you wanting to combine text, say last name, comma, first name, Flashfill's on it, type on, Excel finished the job. So we write Bennett, Olivia, Control E, and that's it. And the initials, O, B, Control E. That's it. Section 3, Autofill Basics. Now onto Autofill, your go-to for sequences. Let's say you're working with a series of numbers. Type the first one, drag that little fill handle, and watch Excel generate the rest. Easy, right? So maybe 15, 16, and that's it. Did you see it? 15, 16, highlight both, and then here is the little X, and you can drag it down and let the mouse loose, and that's it. Here you have a few options, and you see you could use copy cell. So it would be 15, 16, 15, 16. Or fill the series, and it counts 15, 16, 17, 18. Or only the format, or without the format, or Flashfill. Section 4, Advanced Autofill Techniques. Autofill isn't just for numbers, it works with formulas too. Type formula, drag the fill handle, and Excel adjusts it across all your rows. Total time saver. So maybe you have here numbers, okay, and here is a formula. this multiplied with 5, and you just can drag it down, and the formula is moved down. It's from A4 now to A15. If you need something more specific, let's say you want every third day in a date, enter the first two, drag the handle, and Excel picks up the pattern. So let's start with this 16, 20, 24. And you see +3, +3, +3. It understands what you did and copies down. Now we come to custom lists. Did you work already with custom lists? You can create a custom list in Excel and Autofill will repeat it for you. No need to keep typing it out. So for example, you work in a company and you have different business lines. One for tires and automobile. And this is your list. It's something you need often, or maybe a product list. Okay, just highlight it and go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll down, Edit Custom Lists. That's hard to find. Click on it, and then you see custom lists like Sunday, Monday, January, February. I think you know that, but now you can import something, and you see F4, F8. That's it's correct. Just click on it, and you could move it around. But we want the highlighted one, and then we import that, and you see here's a new list, and these are the entries. You could even make additional entries, but you say okay, okay, and now we have a new custom list always in your Excel. And if you write oil, for example, you just drag and drop here down, oil, gas, brakes. It's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now this is a new list, and you can always start with something, tires, and here's your new list. That's awesome. I use it a lot. Autofill also handles incremental patterns, say numbers increasing by 12. Enter the first two, 12, 24, and drag the handle and down, +12, +12. It sees the patterns and do what you want. Autofill even works across multiple columns. Select them and drag the handle. Excel extends the pattern everywhere. So you work on Monday and Wednesday, $40 and $50. You just highlight it, drag it down, and you see Monday, Wednesday, Friday are the work days, 847 are the hours, and this is what you earn. Super easy, just one click. Last tip, use Autofill to extend conditional formatting across new cells, keeping everything color-coded and neat. So, for example, you have 70%, 80%, 50%, something like that. And you have a conditional formatting to see color scales. You just drag it down and you see the format extends. Yeah? The number will be calculated, the pattern, and the color will be extended. And that's it. Flashfill and Autofill are two simple yet powerful tools that will change how you work in Excel. Want more Excel tips? Check out my multi-column search bar tutorial right there. Thanks for watching Sheetwise, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.